Alright guys, you can check out Grilling episode 10 in a long time. You don't know what kind of capping Shannon gonna do today, bro.
I don't have time for that. I don't believe you should
Cheyenne.
kiss a lot of frogs to find your prince. I believe
Do they actually
in
give
grilling. I'm going to be going on
my
a
boy
series of dates to
Cassillo
find who can really
an
wow
extra
them.
scene in this
is
episode? He's the
grilling.
first one I've seen they've give like an extra video.
Big
Because
Tobz, Mr.
Cassillo
Cool,
is a
you know,
dude,
my son,
man.
I'm leaving your barber. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm just here to see what she's about in person. You know, I've seen a couple episodes, a couple videos, but
Oh, you watch them.
she can handle me as well as I can handle her. Tactics, just good eye contact.
I guess he must know
good
about Cassillo.
conversation, bit of confidence, you know what I'm trying to say, and that's my style, man. First dates, you know, they've all been successful, you know what I'm trying to say, but I haven't really found someone that's really, you know, made me excited like that.
Okay, buddy,
Today
let's
might be the day,
see what
know,
you
we'll
can
see,
actually
we'll
do.
We'll see. I love a challenge. I love it, man. You'll see in it. You'll see for yourself.
I want to see what you can actually do because we don't want any talk about. We want straight action. Man, Shannon always look nice, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give her props for always dressing nice.
Nice to meet you.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, this is a Christmas episode. It's actually in
Nice
January, but
festive.
Thank you.
this is a Christmas episode.
She's looking sexy, and I'm not gonna lie. Still, I'm not gonna lie. Trying to keep my head, you know what I'm saying, but yeah.
Thanks, stand out.
Dude, she love wear these
What's your name?
revealing
Tobz,
outfit,
call me
bro.
Big Tobz.
Big Tobz.
Yes.
Why Big Tobz? Cheers.
You know, my name is Toby. People call me Tobz for short. Call me Big because I'm quite big. You know what I'm saying? So.
As in
Big
height.
Tobz. What do you think? Do you want to stand up and see
Oh, you
how
seem
the
quite
difference?
tall.
I'm 6'1",
Yo,
you know
Shannon
what I mean?
is
Like,
cheeky, man.
Okay,
She
nice height.
have a little cheek to her.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Big
Because you know that he's
That's
big
what
in
you call
size.
you.
That's
What
what
do you
man
want
mean.
me
No, call me
in
Toby.
size.
Toby.
Yeah.
Nice
You got a
to
chest
meet
properly. You got to
properly.
look at my eyes as well.
Eye
Yeah?
contact.
Eye contact.
Cheers.
So how you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you feeling?
I'm good, you know. I'm liking the settings. I'm liking my views. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's all good right
Oh,
now.
calm on, yeah?
It's all honest truth.
I like an honest man.
Yeah.
I'm in trouble, aren't I?
Ooh.
So tell me about you, Toby.
I guess
I'm a
she actually
rapper,
feeling my
from
dude.
East London. Been rapping seriously from about
Oh, he's a
2016.
rapper.
I was doing it for fun before, and since 2016, I've kind of been in the industry and just been doing my thing since then. That's
Okay.
like my full-time career right now. I do a bit of acting as well, and a bit of fashion stuff.
So what got you into music?
Always kind of loved doing music as a kid. I'll go home, go on the TV, Channel U, MTV Base. I never thought
Wanna
I was
see
gonna
what
be a
kind of,
rapper myself, but I just
lineage
loved what I used to see. And then
he actually
when I
come
was in
from.
school, I used to play about rapping like in school. My friends was like, yeah, you're hard. And I still didn't take it seriously, but then like later on growing up, a lot of my friends in my area was doing music. I started joining them, doing some little videos, and then I kind of got out there and it's like, well, I kind of have to do this now, innit? Because everyone knows my name through music, and then
Wow.
now I'm here, Big Tobz.
That's crazy.
What do you
So
think you'd be doing if you
most
wanted to
people would love that
I used to be into
opportunity.
basketball, you know.
Really?
I used to play basketball seriously. Like I went to France, I was living there, playing there.
Damn,
Went to
he's
America,
world-
got a
he's-
scholarship and all that stuff.
He's world traveled.
For basketball, though.
What's your
It's
intention
good,
right
man.
now?
My intention's always
She's
pure.
world traveled,
I hope
man.
so.
Grill men, ask them
France,
questions.
You
America,
had to grill me
basketball,
today.
singing.
Yeah. Do you think you can handle the heat?
Raw.
I think so,
They
you know.
think
I
they're
just
that
have a nice date, though.
rotted.
Why'd you have to grill me? Why can't you just give me a nice day? Why'd you got to grill me for?
It depends on you and your vibe, innit? So
I hear that stuff.
if you bring good vibes, then I'll be.
I'm liking your vibe so far. You seem like a nice girl, a sweet girl. But it's still early, so I'm going to see, do you know what I mean? But yeah.
How
Yeah,
are
this
you
guy
gonna
seems
score me?
very,
Is that?
I
like,
think I want to get to know
the way
you,
he's
though, innit? You know what I
talking,
mean? I
he
wanna
seems
get to
very
know you.
confident,
Say to all the women.
very
No, I'm talking
smooth.
to you right now,
Really?
though. Yeah.
Are you a smooth talker?
Do you think I'm a
You-
smooth talker?
Yeah.
You seem very
I just
smooth, bro. That's what
feel
I'm saying.
naturally,
Is-
and it's like, if it comes across as smooth, maybe I'm a smooth talker. I don't know.
I heard you're a bit of a ladies' man, you know.
My ladies, man.
I love how the eye contact's now gone.
Yo, she caught
I
him.
need to know, man.
She
I'm
caught
not like a
him.
guy that like chats to bare girls and tries to go on. I'm not like that kind of guy. Do you know what I mean? But
So you say bare girls, so is it just maybe you have like 3 minimum
nah, I'm not really on that innit. But I've had my moments where I used to chat to a lot of girls and stuff like.
at
But
the same time?
when you're single, you can do what you want, right?
But I just think that's a bit mad.
Well, so you've never like dated like more than one guy at the same time?
No, I genuinely, I can't. Because for me, I just feel bad.
I
like,
call
one, it's such
cap,
an
bro. I don't know. I
experience,
don't know,
like,
man.
I just hate the idea of someone else doing that with multiple people. So
Okay.
it's kind of treat people. how
Dude,
you wanna be
unless
treated.
Shannon is
imagine
actually
when
one
you're
of the
talking,
most
man,
purest
you
girl
don't know each
ever,
other, you're just talking
or
whatever. But
she's
it's not
just
like I told
capping.
you I want to get with you, but like there's other people that I've met and I'm talking to as well. Like that's
Yeah.
not that. You think that's not alright?
No, it's like you're just like weighing out your options.
But they're probably doing the same thing though.
If I want to carry on talking to you, I'm not going to then start pursuing someone else.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
No, to be honest with
No,
you, like,
but
back in the
if
day, I
you're
was
in
like
the
that. Now I don't even
first
have the time
date,
to invest in a lot
you
of
wouldn't
people
invest in
anyway.
someone
You
on
say
the
you would
first
be
date.
a good husband.
100%.
Really?
I was in a 5-year relationship.
What would make you a good
Ooh.
husband? Friend.
I've
Husband's good
got
too.
good
5
morals. I'm
years.
respectful.
Damn,
I
that's
just
long
know how
I
to
said.
treat a woman. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm patient.
The longest I have in something is
Ross
2
said
years.
about him. Yeah, ticks a few boxes. Would you sleep with
She's
a
cheesing, bruh.
Nah.
No.
She's
Nah.
cheesing.
You see, even me, when I go out and a fan's like super on me, I run. Like if I'm talking to a girl and she's a proper fan of me, I'm not really trying to go there.
Really?
Yeah.
You sleep with me?
Would I sleep with you?
I might be a fan.
Yeah, I'll sleep with you.
Oh.
Just cuddle though, not sex.
I'll be a fan.
You'd be a
Sleep with me
fan.
now, I'm a fan.
You're not a fan though.
Yeah, but I'm a fan of what you're saying.
You're a fan of what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that then. So
Oh.
would you sleep with a rapper?
No.
Why?
Do you know what it is? Okay, I'm never going to say never.
Yeah.
because
Shannon,
you never
stop the
know.
cap, man.
But realistically, like the lifestyle, I think it'll be too much for me to handle. You,
She's
you
just
obviously
talking
get a lot
about
of
the
attention
girls and everything.
And just many
Shannon
options.
seems like she just want
regular
this
men
loyal
that
alpha
aren't in,
dude, like-
the media or limelight, they have options. So imagine a man that's also got options and in the limelight.
That's not really fair, you know.
Yeah,
Because not all
that's what I'm
rappers, like,
saying.
do this like bare girls and bare like problem stuff. Like
Dude,
like,
Shannon
you don't
does.
hear
I don't know what kind of
scandalous stuff
thinking
about
she have,
me.
but
Yeah, no,
this is the
You don't
modern
don't
world
see
where.
me with bare women and stuff like that. I'm chilled. So it
Dude,
depends.
this is what
But
it
someone
is,
can say, you
man.
know, yeah, you do media, you have a lot of guys on your shows, blah blah blah. So they don't give you a chance. But I'm sure. Well, I don't know what you're like.
So someone
Do
can
you,
actually
see a lot of
blame
men or,
her
like,
too,
but you
just
probably
like
have a
how
lot
she's
of
gonna
options,
blame the
right?
rappers.
But you're probably chilled.
Cause she
Yeah.
don't talk
Are you?
about
Yeah,
double
I'm
standards,
chill.
so
Exactly. So you should give a rapper the same chance, man. Like me.
Like you.
Yeah.
Give it a chance.
Yeah, you should get to know me and just see.
like oh, he's
beyond
actually
being a
putting in
rapper
him
and a
his
public guy.
resume
Yeah,
from
no, I can
early.
see beyond. Like I'm not a complete.
I'm glad she actually called out herself on that
When was the last time you had
because
sex?
she's
Is that
kind of
necessary
talking about
to
double
ask me that?
standards.
Yeah.
She always complain about that.
Yeah.
I feel like some things you should kind of keep private, like, do you know what I mean? Not really for the whole world to know.
Are you active or just not active?
I'm not active.
Do you have like buddies and stuff?
Buddies? No, I don't have buddies. I know you think I'm lying, but I'm actually being honest about this
Really?
still. Yeah.
What's your night in then?
I relax, I've got a studio in my house, I might make music. Every night's kind of different, depends, I might be busy. I'm quite a busy guy, so it just depends on that evening.
Yeah, because if you're a rapper,
Again,
you
I was in
have
a long
music to make,
relationship, so,
song to
you know what
write.
I mean, and I kind of come out recently, so.
Oh, really?
I've been kind of
Oh, so it's
chilling.
recent.
Chilling.
Wait,
Do you
if
think
you said
you're
5
gonna,
years,
like,
it must
have a
be
rebound
recently
and start
because
moving
you
mad, or
seem
you
pretty
like-
young.
No, like it's women nowadays. I don't know about women nowadays, man. I just don't really want to invest in this anyone. You know what I mean?
What's wrong with women?
Boy, it's just toxic, man.
Why?
A
What
bit
have they
crazy.
done?
The things I see and the way they act in it, it's just a bit mad.
I don't know. I don't
I
see.
don't want to get cancelled.
Oh,
I don't
wait,
wanna say that I'm
wait.
mad, man.
No, but
Although
just tell me,
Shannon don't
enlighten
see what
me
he's
so I
talking
can-
about.
so I
You
can
see what
kind
I'm
of
talking
speak
about?
my mind.
I just
She's
think
like
that the
living in a
mentalities are
freaking
a bit,
Disney
brainwashed by,
world,
like,
man.
girls and stuff like that. And I feel like not a lot of women have good values nowadays, and they
That's
influenced
true.
by the wrong people.
Dude.
Why the girls are acting?
This dude is speaking facts, especially in the Western country, like first world Western countries. The values are women are think they are kings now, bruh, and men are queens. It's basically reverse things going on in the Western country. Thank God, China, Philippines, and those other countries that are keeping their values. Don't let the West corrupt your countries, guys. And whether they talk about China, keep your freaking values. Don't become like the freaking West. And the
Nowadays,
Philippines
man,
too,
they're
and,
just gassing
and
it,
Cambodia and
but
other countries.
They ain't really like that offline. Man.
Keep
Don't
your
be thinking
values.
about that,
Even
like-
Africa still have
It's like
the
a battle of
values.
sexes constantly.
No, it
But
is to be fair, but it
England,
seems like women
America,
hate men
Canada,
nowadays anyway. When I look online, it's always hate
Australia,
men anyway,
oh
so-
my
You guys all
God, turn into
preach,
shit.
we want a good woman that has all these values, but then it's okay for you guys to then fuck us up, traumatize us, then we just think, "F this, why should I be a good woman for the wrong men?" Because you just keep doing
Pick
it.
the right
It's
man
why
then,
the world
bruh.
is finished. Because it's like it's a back and forth thing, like, you know what I'm
Yeah.
trying to say, like, so that's why it's a bit mad. But
Yeah.
hopefully, you know, there's good women and good men out there. So.
Yeah,
That's
100%.
No one's
pick the right.
cancelled,
But you know
man.
what's funny? They're not gonna
Everyone's
pick the
being
right
man,
man. That's the
whatever
thing.
it is,
You know what? Most of the time, the nerds are the right one, but these girls don't want any fucking nerds, bro. They want the bad boys. That's it. That's it, bro. They want the bad boy. They want the men that have 10 kids.
Do you suffer with mental health?
Those are the dudes that
I've
they go
certain ways
for,
I might
dude.
express myself, like, through music. I don't really talk to people much, but when I get on a mic and I'm rapping, I get to say everything that's on my mind, on my chest, without, I can just put it in a word so everyone knows how I'm feeling without me having a personal conversation. But maybe that's something I need to work on anyway. You know what I mean?
So what's like your thoughts on like this whole just to be a man kind of thing and not speak up on issues?
I'll be real with you. As a man, it's hard to be vulnerable. It's hard to open up. It's hard to seem like you're weak, innit? Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Man, I like this
Some
guy,
women
bro.
do take advantage of that.
Otherwise, from
You know what I'm trying to
Catholic,
say? Like, when a
this
man's
guy is
weak and
this guy's
vulnerable
actually
and
pretty
he's
cool,
thrown in your
man.
face, and that's how a lot of men
This guy's
feel.
actually pretty
They
chill.
feel like they
Not
can't
gonna lie, I
really-
think
and even to other man them as
he's
well,
gonna be
like,
my second
you don't want to
favorite.
see
Otherwise,
too
I'm
big other
Catholic.
guys as well. So it's like you never
Based
want
on
to
his
show that
chillness
side. I
and
feel like
his
the way men have
confident
been
and he just
raised, a lot of
talking
men been raised,
properly.
like, it's almost to like
He
bro,
doesn't
bro,
come
bro,
off
be
corny
like, don't
or
be weak, don't be like,
are
you're
desperate.
good. So I feel
like some of the
growing up and
others.
that, it's like we all feel like we have to get over it. We're not meant to cry about it. What are you crying for? You know what I'm gonna say? So I feel that's the kind of mentality that most of us guys have in it. You know what I mean? Most of the deaths from men is like suicidal. I swear.
Yeah, it's 3.5 times higher than women.
Yeah,
Probably
that's
because men
true.
are going through things that they can't talk about. They've got no one to go to, so they do it for themselves. In their outlet might be drugs, or their outlet might be something else that's killing them. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So
And yet,
I think
women
it's
talk
important for
about
us to, like,
they're
I said
oppressed
therapy, man.
and
Like, I've never done it, but I've been told
if they're
by a lot of
freaking
people that
oppressed,
it's
why
really
don't they
good.
kill
You know what I'm
themselves
saying? I feel like,
like
a lot
men
of
then?
they need to find another
seriously.
outlet to kind of, you know what I'm saying, and not deal with it alone, because a lot of man's died and it's like, raw, you didn't tell me, I didn't know he was going through this. A lot of us are holding a lot of things in, you get me? So it's important to chat and open up sometimes, you feel me?
You're speaking a lot of wisdom right now. Are your DMs active?
Dude, I
I
feel
don't
like
want
he's
to.
gonna actually get a freaking high score, bro. I feel like
Yeah.
he's gonna get the first 9. Honest to
Oh,
God.
it's quite bougie, that's alright. At least they ain't got nothing to worry about.
A lot of girls, they've messed up for rappers. Like, they messed up for themselves because, like, all these screenshot business and, oh, I'll talk to this person, like, I don't open my DMs, I don't respond to you. Unless I know you, or, like, you're hitting me up on a purpose, man, like, hey, you need to speak to you about, or something like that. If you're just hitting me up, like,
Just to say
I don't even open it. Some men don't care, innit? Some man's like, whatever, innit? But me, I'm like, yeah. If I'd have to see it
Yeah,
out,
he's very
and, like, if I see
cautious.
it out and we vibe.
Don't want
we
to
vibe, innit?
caught
You know what I'm
lurking,
saying?
bruh.
There's bare catfishes on Instagram, like. I ain't looking at Instagram picture thinking, yeah, you, and then, do you know what I mean? So, if
Yeah,
I
that's
see
true.
or
The
I like
catfish
what you're doing
business,
on
the
gram
makeup
I'm
and the
intrigued,
photo
I'm intrigued
editing
by
and
it,
them
then I
bullshit,
might
bro. You see somebody
have a
in
little
person, you're like, who the
conversation
fuck
here
is
and there and
this?
see what I go on.
I know you,
So-
bitch. Get
but I can
away
actually
from me.
catch someone's vibe by looking at their stories, their highlights, and you kind of
Yeah.
gauge how a person is, innit?
So do you think you brought up on love or survival?
Both.
Really?
Yeah. Love, because I've been around love, like both of my parents, like my family, do you know what I'm trying to say, like my friends, like, do you know what I mean? But survival, because I've been through things outside that I had to deal with by myself and learn how to deal with it by myself.
What's the hardest thing you've had to do by yourself?
Oh, probably when I got shot and stabbed.
You got shot?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorry,
wow,
see
you
my
got-
face. Can you not see my face?
Oh,
Don't get scared, bro.
oh my god, why did you get shot?
Oh, it's just techie, man. People just tried it with me and
Oh my god.
they succeeded. Yeah, I've been through a lot of fucking man in my
Damn.
life.
In
but,
his
you know, I'm
face
here.
too, man.
Equally, it makes you stronger. I'm here, I'm happy, I'm healthy. I'm living life, man, so can't complain.
Damn, you get
Did you
shot in the
ever
face.
think about your mum and your dad? Because during situations when you get into trouble, like,
Yeah.
I feel everyone's so caught up in the moment, like, no one actually thinks about, like, you could have lost your life.
I wonder if that
like,
can
that's-
actually-
100%.
a
But
lot.
this
I don't know.
was a situation
I don't know if the
expected,
shot
like,
thing
I'm
can
not a
actually
gang member, I was not
Yeah.
involved
bother
in
her
gang
or what.
violence, but I got involved in something and people did something bad to me, do you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? But I didn't expect that to happen at the time. It kind of came unexpected, like someone came from behind me, my face, turned around, another person shot me. That was
Oh
that.
my
Do you
god.
get what I mean? At the
That
time, my mum
means-
lived in my
did
mum
they
lived in-
want
she
to
lived in
kill him
Nigeria
because
since
they could
2012,
actually-
so she couldn't really be there. But I'm here today.
Shot
so
him,
I'm
right?
thankful and I'm good. I'm on a beautiful day with a beautiful girl, so
And that
life
charm.
ain't too bad, you know what I mean?
Well, thank you for sharing that.
Well, that's cool.
Because if
Cheers
they
for
wanted to
life,
shot him,
innit?
they didn't
Yeah,
have to
cheers
tap
for
him. They
life.
could have
Yeah,
shot
you
him
can't take that
in his
for
head.
granted, you know what I mean?
I don't think they want to kill him
Yeah,
then.
big respect to him. It seems like he's been through a lot and he's grown a lot, and I love a man that holds himself accountable for things they've done wrong. Do you have any fetishes?
I love Tobz, and I'm joking.
Yeah, is that why your friends
No,
call you?
no,
Didn't you say your
I-
friends call you Tobz, or was it Tobz?
Are you violating?
No, I'm just asking.
Tobz or Tobz?
I thought you said Tobz
Nah,
earlier.
you're violating still. About big toes. Man size 11, but it's not big toes, it's big toes. Don't ever get cheeky like that again.
But you
No,
like
I'm not-
toes.
no, I don't care about toes. I don't, like, that's not my fetish, I'm just chatting rubbish.
So what is your fetish? And by the way, feet are nice.
No, feet are cool, but I just don't care about them. Like, I'm not gonna suck them ever, I'm not gonna lick them, I'm not gonna, like, I might massage you if your feet are clean, but
So what's your fetish then?
do I have a fetish like that? I really like curly hair, you know.
Do you?
That's not weird, is it?
It's just, I feel that's more like a preference, not like a fetish.
It's not a fetish, is
Unless
it?
you're typing like curly hair, porn, something.
Is that a thing?
I don't know.
Do you
I
watch
don't know. No, I don't.
at all?
No.
You don't watch
I
porn?
used to,
Yo,
but
I
don't.
like how he's
Everyone
actually
watches porn, man.
he's actually asking the same question as Cassillo.
No.
Yeah,
The
but
same.
stop you from,
That's
like,
the way
trying to see a girl
Cassillo
that you can see
asks.
Oh really?
Really?
That's how you do it.
So what, you get me? Just do your thing, then you're cool. You can sleep nice. Because you know sometimes when you're horny, yeah, you might go for your phone thinking, There's so much girls that are thinking, yeah, I can go hit her up, but you don't want to do that because you're going to have sex and you're probably going to regret it after. Put on a little porn and just release whatever you need to release, you know what I'm saying? But it's not often though, it's just sometimes.
Okay.
Dude, I swear,
What do you
right?
want out of life?
Have a good family, a good home, my whole family, my friends to be looked after.
That's true, bruh.
And leave this world with a legacy. Just good, positive
Yeah.
things, you know what I'm trying to say? Like,
But I'm
rest in
guessing
peace,
you're
my birthday,
already.
like, everyone's got good things to say.
Oh,
about
Khaled
me.
died,
My
yeah.
guy, one of my closest
I guess
mates,
he's
so
actually
I just wanna
making
leave
it
behind
in a
a
way
good-
because
good
he's already a
legacy.
rapper, so
You know what I'm saying, yeah.
Do you
he's
have any
he
insecurities?
have kind of like a legacy
No, no.
already.
Have you always been confident?
No. When I was growing up, I was not confident at all. I was a kid in secondary school. I would just be hiding my face, like just in the corner, like just kind of just chilling.
Or was you shy?
That was proper shy.
Oh my God,
Even though I'm a bit shy, but I think doing music helped me overcome that. Because when you got to get on the stage in front of bare people, you can't be shy, innit? You have to do
Yeah.
kind of things. I think that kind
Yeah,
of helped
that's
me
true.
get over like my shyness. But I used to be quite like shy, and I'm quite quiet and preserved, innit? Do you know what I mean?
I used to be really shy.
Really?
Yeah,
Cheyenne, that's your
Guess
what's
my
your
name.
Dude,
and then I
that
remember
wouldn't
I
even
was
be
I just wanted
surprising,
to go,
man.
Cheyenne, and I just took a stand and then I had the cheesiest punchline for a good 5 years. I was like, I'm Cheyenne and there's nothing shy about me. And I was just like, oh my God. Like,
You don't seem the type.
no, I was just ugly though. Like,
You were?
yeah, I was so butters in school.
Nah, show me. a
Really?
picture.
No,
Nah, you weren't ugly.
I swear to God I was.
What's you weren't ugly.
I
man.
swear to
Girls
God,
always say-
anyone from school will tell you I was clapped.
What
Like,
school
I
did
don't
you go
care.
to?
I went
Really?
to school in Essex.
Oh, okay. I wouldn't know.
She's saying, yeah, although it could be true now because sometimes you got people
Why, yes
who
and no?
mature into
I've
their
only,
looks. Like there was an
done it to
ugly
one girl
kid
that was
and then
in
they
relationship.
Really?
mature
I'd only
into
do it in
their
a
look. So
relationship.
she
Yeah.
could be
How many
right.
people slept with?
She could be
How
because
many
I
girls slept
see
with?
a lot of people like that. Not gonna lie. I know a lot of people like that, bro.
Clearly gets a lot of women.
Few people, innit?
A few?
Yeah.
Dude,
yeah.
she can tell,
Like,
man.
a lot,
This
a
dude
little,
is
or a lot?
oozing
What's a lot to
confident.
you?
Anything over like 50, innit?
What's it around that?
He have more like a
Only
charming,
lipstick on
confident,
one woman.
and
Yeah.
Cassila have more of a I don't give a fuck confident, bro.
Any gal, man, come on, man.
Why do all these men never go down on women? Like, what is the issue?
I was proper against it, like I actually said I would never, ever do it. I even had it in a song saying I would never do it. One of my
Really?
biggest songs, the song that blew me up, in that song, I was like, I'll never do it. It's 2021, man, you get me, like, things change, you get me.
Ah!
To all my fans, I let you down, say, man. But,
Yeah, that's...
do you know what it is? I just wasn't on that, like, it's just not what I was on, in it. But then I got in a relationship and then, you know, like, you got to satisfy your girl, innit, when she wants it, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I had to just submit.
Would you say you're good at it, though? Because you could have a shit mouth game.
It's not for me to say, innit, do you know what I mean? It's for her to say, innit? But yeah, I know what I'm doing, innit, do you know what I mean? Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, okay.
I got a job, and I get a bedroom, I got a job, which is to make her finish, you know what I'm saying? So.
Okay.
Dude, Shannon, love that, bro.
In my soul, bro. She's trying to seduce me. She knows what she's doing, man. And it's working slightly, you're not gonna
Dude,
lie.
that's true, man. Cheyenne have this even though she
No.
have this
No.
Why
secret
not?
If you're my wife, what's
way
mine
she
is
doing
yours.
her thing,
Okay,
bro.
that's
Do you
fine.
get? Forget trust and that stuff. There's things, there's conversations I'm having with my boys, there's group chats man's in with my bedrooms that man don't want to say. And girls are nosy. So a girl will pick up my phone and she would want to know, ooh, everything about it, do you know what I'm saying? And there's certain things I might not want you to see.
Yeah.
Like we all deserve some privacy at the same time.
If I was in a relationship with you and I asked to see your phone,
Yeah.
would you show me it?
I say, what do you want to see first?
Memes?
Memes. I better call. Memes, you know. Are you one of them people that send your boyfriend like memes and stuff and all this kind of stuff that you find funny?
Listen,
Like,
that's how I flirt. I just send you memes.
oh, is it?
Yeah.
Are you a flirty girl?
I think I'm naturally a flirt, but I wouldn't even say that I'm flirting.
You got a very flirty like look.
No? I don't
Yeah.
think I try. I'm not trying to be flirty.
I know,
I'm
but
just
you just got a look about you still. It's good though. It's good.
to look flirty.
Yeah, to look like it's like a seductive kind of look. Do you know what I mean? Maybe it's the red that you're wearing. I don't
Do you
know.
reckon?
Yeah.
Do you reckon I'm trying
Yeah,
to
she
seduce you?
got the
It's a smile,
look.
man. It's a smile for me, man. But yeah. Anyway.
Dude, he's right though. She
Yeah.
got the look
Oh, well done. I
like
thought you were gonna say no.
seductive.
No.
As they said,
Um,
you're the
I
right
just
word,
don't like
seductive
even
type of
bad
look.
blood, innit? Unless
And
like,
like-
you done me
and
dirty.
she, like,
If you done me
enticing
dirty,
you,
you're
bruh.
not cool. Like, I don't wanna
She know what
see you.
she's
If
doing.
we just broke up because we just broke up.
Outgrow each other.
Yeah, we can still be cool. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
I find it mad that you could spend years with someone
And then just
never speak to them again.
Yeah, that's what
like,
mad.
The world glamorizes, oh my God, that's your ex, you should
Yeah.
hate them. Like, no.
Nah, man, you don't have to do that, man. Sometimes you outgrow people. Sometimes you realize that person's not the one for you.
Yeah.
Don't mean you should hate each other, start dating each other. Like, you should be able to see each other and be like,
Dude, I'm gonna warn you guys, don't do that shit because, as I said before, in my experience, I have exes, bruh. That's all I'm gonna
No,
say.
yeah, cool. You
Yeah.
got a nice guy now.
That's
You gotta make sure
all
he
I'm
looks
gonna
after
say.
you, you know what
Even
I'm
when they
saying?
got their
Simple.
other dude, I still.
No, I wouldn't mind.
Oh.
So
I hope you
just
say yeah,
I
because
learned
double
from those
standards
experiences,
got
bro.
going.
So I
Double
don't recommend that
standards,
shit.
red flag. Double standards are mad.
Like, you can't be active friends. You can be cool as in, like, if, do you know what I'm saying? But not like an active friendship. Like, you can't be like talking
All the time.
on a regular or like having conversation. Like,
Yeah, I get you.
do you get what I'm trying to say?
Be
But
cool with
if
them.
you're cool with them, like, boom, like, it might pop up, hey, you cool? Yeah, I'm alright, blah, blah. But as long as, because it's about boundaries, isn't it?
So I have an ex that every few years we actually catch up and go for dinner.
Well, you must be high, like, yeah, it's not happening. Why are you going for dinner?
I've not been in a relationship since, if that makes sense, but we will
Oh.
regularly catch up because it's
Yeah.
just nice to see the growth.
I'm not gonna lie, if I'm seeing someone, yeah,
That's kind of weird, though. I'm not gonna lie.
you're not linking your ex for dinners, like, that's not happening.
What if it was just a coffee then, not dinner?
Coffee,
No,
burger,
no linkage, bro.
Why?
Mad.
Because why are you doing that for? That's a date, basically.
No, it's not a date.
It is a date, though. It's a friendly
It
date.
does sound mad though. It does.
Of
That
course, it
sounds
sounds
mad, yeah.
freaking
Once
mad.
I'm done with someone, I'm done. Like I will never.
Dude,
text
I
you
don't
again.
believe-
I will never
dude,
text you,
dude,
like, great,
listen.
like, so I guess for me emotionally, I'm
Dude,
so cut off.
this
I
guy
can
probably
go
been
through
through some
my ex and not
situation.
feel away.
And
Like,
if
I would
you
not
are
even
the
be
rapper,
attracted to him.
he probably
Like,
sleep
if
with a
I
lot
was
of
to
other
connect,
dudes'
like, and be.
girl.
When it comes to, like,
So he probably
relationships,
learned
yeah,
from that shit like,
it's about
this
how
bitch
does
can't be
feel- how would
trusted,
your
bro.
partner feel about
I don't
things,
care
innit?
what
And
you're
certain things
saying.
you've got to sacrifice
So he
for
must
that.
been through that
even though
situation.
man,
So
no, you're gonna be good. You're not trying to. You're not even attracted to them, but you genuinely want to see if they're good. If that's gonna make your partner feel a certain way or not feel comfortable with it, what's more important to you? Like your partner you're trying to grow a future with.
or
man.
your
So
ex.
exactly, so certain things you got to sacrifice. Like something like that. Like you probably
Yeah,
wouldn't
that
want
is right.
your guy to
Sacrifice
link
certain
his ex
things
for
to
dinner.
make
Are you
whoever
cool with
happy.
that?
No, there's something,
and that's a
I'm
small
very laid
thing,
back, but at the
man.
same time, I'm not an idiot. You know, so it depends on the person, the vibe, the woman, like the ex.
So a lot that goes into it. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Unless me and your ex's best friend, which is probably not gonna be happening, then no, I feel like it's unnecessary. I feel like if you want to check it up, you can. Even the messages might let that slide, but going out to actually link them and spend time with them,
Yeah, that's weird,
it's
bro.
gonna cause deep.
That's
issues that
actually
don't need
weird.
To be, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I don't get how Cheyenne would
I can't
really
accept
understand
that
that
people
clearly. She
done their things
understands,
in the
but she's
past.
still
I can't
pushing
really
that.
let that
In
affect
every other interview, she asks a
relationship,
question
you know what I'm
like,
gonna say,
dude,
but I'll
what?
prefer
You mad?
if it was less. I just don't want to be in places where like my man could have. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yes. It's
I
not
like
an
it.
ego
I like
thing.
exclusivity and all that kind of stuff in it. So, if your body counts high, no. If it's really high, it's a no go in it.
But do you think it's like a male ego thing?
Probably,
Ego.
Probably.
It's a you problem.
maybe it is, but it is what it is, isn't it? I like what I like, and if I prefer my girl to be a low body count, then it is. Well, do you care about body counts like for guys or not?
Not really. Do you know what it is? It's not that I care about body count, and I'm going to sound like a complete...
Dude.
But it's like the quality of the person, because sometimes I don't mind, but then when I see
The type of girl that you chop.
the person that you've just gone with, and I'm just kind of like,
You see the man them, yeah. So when it comes to like beating,
Yeah,
girls,
man, that's why I
man
slap.
don't really care like that.
That
Like,
she
you see
for
that girls, I'm sure
understand.
you-
She
the
don't
guys
really
from
get that.
certain Whatever, to like guys just want to get busted.
Get it-
up, you know
yeah,
what I'm
and
saying?
that's
So it's
it.
not a thing of like, oh, this person is this kind of level, quality, or whatever.
Yeah,
like,
don't
man,
care
don't
about that, bruh.
really- That's why a lot of men will cheat on their girls, which is mad. With a dead, like they might have a 10-10 girl, but end up cheating with a 5-5 because at the time they're just thinking with their penis and they're just thinking about the nut.
Dude, I like how this guy's actually explaining everything, bro. Because Cheyenne
Yeah,
don't
but
really
you
get the
see
point
your
that
huh?
Yeah,
dude
Yeah,
just
I'll
want to
happily
smash,
give
right?
you a
right?
shot.
He
Really
just
bad
want to
looking.
make the numbers
He's a
go
really
up.
good-looking guy at the end of the
So it's not
bar.
like all about no love
So I
feeling,
sent
like
some
female.
drinks.
Female use
You sent drinks to
emotions.
him?
Yeah, I sent
We
drinks
just
to your
want to
bar.
smash, bro. That's it.
Yes, I said to the barman, I was like, look, send drinks. And the barman come back and was like, oh, he rejected it, right?
Oh.
And I died inside a little.
I can see that she's
And then
really
sent a
feeling this
bottle
guy
of
because she's
champagne over, and then
she's
he walked in,
smiling
the guy came over
naturally,
with two
like
glasses,
no
and
no
was like,
fake
"That was really
shit.
kind of you to offer, but I don't let women buy
Seem
me
legit,
drinks, but
bruh.
I hope we can toast together." And I was like,
I hear
"I
that
had
though.
game, but you've got game,
Yeah,
sir."
yeah, you finessed it nicely still. But right, you're selling drinks to the man them and that.
Yeah. Shoot my
Rah.
shot, innit?
Go and do that.
Well, I did. No, we do. There's women that shoot their shot.
I really, that's
Wow,
cool. That's a proper
that's
gangster move,
crazy.
still. Well done. That takes
Dude,
real
Shannon
work,
is a-
She's got some courage. I respect that, man. Because some girl are just there waiting to, yeah, come on, man. She's a G, man. Ladies, learn. Learn from Shy Shy, you get me?
Yeah,
Oh, I
she.
like this guy, you know.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying, right? Dude, they can see that she like him, bro.
I'm
She's
getting to know
smiling
you.
naturally and everything, bro.
If I really
He's
like
gonna get
you,
a
I
9, bro.
past it.
Really?
I'm
Cause
gonna
even
say,
even
if
me
I
listening
just
to him, I
met
feel that
you,
he's a cool
and
dude,
yeah, man,
chill.
it's like, oh yeah, man, chop,
Not
chop,
too
chop.
like he's not acting greedy
Yeah,
and
that's pretty cool.
thirsty. He's just
So,
moving
like,
chill
the
as hell.
woman is don't let him introduce you to the bros.
I don't want to do that. But no, but you have to let us know at the end. And if you've done it,
Yeah,
you're
but-
gonna have to let man know, like eventually, like
So-
if you're taking man serious.
Would you want me to directly tell you?
You have to tell me.
Would
Yeah.
you not prefer?
No.
But at what stage then? am
Well,
I
man,
telling
them have
you?
to tell me. If my man them ain't told me and you ain't told me, you lot all snake, you're all pagans.
So when do I tell you then? Because this is the thing. What if
Pagans.
I've done it? I really like you, and then now I'm scared that I'm going to lose you.
Imagine I find out the man them said, you know what, Tom, I'm not gonna lie to you. I know you like this John, but in 2020, I was blowing her back out. If he tells me that, yeah, and then I'll come to you, like, and you knew this, I'll feel away that you didn't show me this one before. The L either way, innit? You're losing it, but honesty is the best policy.
That's true,
innit?
bro. Probably
it's
if
me
she's gonna tell him
personally,
honestly,
if
just
my man's
beg.
getting with the gal and man's chopped that thing back in the day, I'm sure, man, your broski back in the day, that was my John. I done that, innit? So if my boys get me, they gotta show me, innit? Can't be on some sneaky thing, man.
What would you do if my ex was after you?
And it's beef, innit? Like, what do you want me to do, innit? Do you know what I mean? Like, oh, I'm not gonna be like, oh, if you must beef with me, then I'm gonna try and avoid it for your sake, innit? Because someone you probably love once in a time. But I'll speak to him like, bro, like, listen, the girl's mine now, respectfully. She doesn't want you no more. You gotta let her go. If he keeps coming, if he's coming for me, I'm not coming for him. So if he's coming for me, then I just gotta deal with what comes to me, innit? Do you know what I mean? What would you expect a guy to do?
Probably that, actually.
She's really buying what I'm saying, you know. Boy.
What would you do if I wanted to start an OnlyFans?
Why?
Oh.
I'll ask you why. Like, why do you want to start OnlyFans?
Make money?
What are you doing at the moment, though? What, have you got no job and you're just trying to...
Yeah, but what if I was just out here hustling?
What, that's like your only result, to be OnlyFans?
It's not the only result. It's
Why do you
just
want to do
an extra
OnlyFans,
income,
though?
isn't it?
Nah, man.
Multiple streams of income on Netflix.
Nah. Well, what are you doing, though? Sharing your toes?
I knew you liked toes.
No, not like toes, but like, them man can see toes. I don't care about toes. Them man can see the toes, but you're trying to show, like, everything else. Nah, man, I don't want everyone seeing what's mine, like. Bro, there's no way my girl's getting OnlyFans. Sorry, big up everyone that's doing their OnlyFans. You don't do
Yeah,
your
that's
thing,
true,
but my
bro.
gal,
No way.
I'm the only fan. I'm the only one I see.
Dude, that's funny.
Yeah.
I'm your only
Ego thing.
fans.
It's not ego thing. It's just like I don't want to share what's mine like with other people. Like, and also, my girl will never be in a situation where she needs to be OnlyFans for money.
Why have you got a pattern like that, yeah?
If you're with me and we're together, I've got you. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, so if you need help, I would help you, or I'd help you look for a job that you want. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Like, I don't need you to resort to OnlyFans.
Have you always been like this? I feel like I really like the way you answer the questions.
I've grown a lot. As I said, like being.
That's
in a
what I'm
long
saying, bro. He's
relationship, I've grown
cool
a lot,
as
I've learned a
hell,
lot.
and plus he
Before,
been in a long
I was
relationship, so
not
he got the
this
experiences.
kind of guy, like I was like my friends will tell you, Tobz would never be in a relationship. Like I would never be vulnerable. I'll never want to commit to one person. As in, like I want to be dating different girls, but I would never take any girl seriously or try to be in a relationship with any girl. Like I was not on that. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like I don't know why. I just didn't care like that.
Yeah, you, this is gonna get a 9. I call it right now
Chemistry.
because
Yeah,
he's
no,
cool.
I feel
He's
like
gonna
we're
get a
kind of
9.
vibing. I feel like we would have a good conversation and a good fun as well. Like, yeah, man. I can talk to you, like, do you know what I'm saying? And you're not too serious, but you have values as well. Like that's like things I look for in a woman.
Yes. Yeah, we do.
I wish you the best for 2022.
Thank you.
Are you looking for a man in 2022?
Yeah.
Hopefully. What's your type? What is your type?
If you was to look at all my exes, it was so
Dude.
different.
Oh,
So I
is
don't
it?
have like a specific.
Dude,
one.
I like how he just brings you everything
Yeah.
to work.
You're
Look at her
alright,
smiling, bro.
Say you're
Look,
type.
dude, she's cheesing.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie, the
She's
date was good,
cheesing,
man.
bruh.
I feel like she really grilled me hard, you know. She was quite nice.
Because she's listening to you, bro. I like this was one of the best reaction. Otherwise from Castillo.
Dates, guys.
Yeah, I think a second date's on the cards.
No, it was so hard to grill him because I quite like him.
Not gonna lie, I think I handled the grilling quite well. man.
Yeah, good man, very good. I'm not gonna lie.
Definitely one of the best dates I've had.
For that day,
I think it's actually the best day,
myself
bro.
a 10.
Probably
Yeah, outside of the end.
I forgot his name, bro.
So I might take it to the studio.
I'm gonna give him a 9.
Knew it.
Got a 9 because.
Dude, I knew
he's
it.
honest, He seems like a good man.
Dude, what I said he's gonna get a 9, bro.
That's what I want.
I said he's gonna get a 9. Dude, this guy is legendary, man. I'm not gonna lie. I like the vibes too. It's chilled. Answer the question cool. She's cheesing. She's smiling. He's like the Castillo of like calm and relax. Castillo is don't give a fuck.